What do you mean by examine? What do you mean by assess? Or when the word is used as critically examine. So examine and assess almost means the same thing. To explain you in very simple word, I would like to give you an example. So what does doctor do when you go to him? So you're a patient. Whenever a patient visits the doctor, he examines him, right? He assesses him, his problems, his concerns. How does he assess, examine your problems if you go to him? You have to tell the doctor that this is what you are facing. That either you are having a headache, either your stomach is aching. So you have to tell the problem. You have to tell your issues. You have to tell your concerns. How does he arrive at a conclusion कि आपको ये problem है? Till the time he is not validating from you. Okay, if you are having headache, are you using laptop more? Are you using phone more? Or is your headache because of some acidity problem? Right? So he is confirming to arrive at a conclusion. Right? Similarly, examine or assess in answer writing, what does it mean? So you have to study or you have to answer any topic or question in detail and very closely to break down its constituent parts, identify the key issues, have a detailed investigation, and then conclude regarding the impact. Right? This is what is examine and assess. So unless and until the doctor breaks down your problem and understand it, he will not be prescribing you the medicine, right? Similarly, if you are not giving the answer by breaking its constituent part, by highlighting the issues or concerns, and then in the end tell about the impact, then still your answer will be incomplete.